Today we have a tutorial video about how to connect the smart rechargeable mini Wi-Fi Datashow projector with tablets and smartphones. So this device, it's really enjoyable device. You can use it wherever you would like to use it, outdoors, indoors, in the offices, or in the field out of the office. So now we can give up from the cables by connecting the Wi-Fi of this rechargeable mini smart projector with your smart devices. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will show you on how to connect this device with your mobiles and tablets. So you have first to charge this device for 5 hours, and as well there is some accessories with this device: remote control, charge stand, cable. You can use cable if you want, and you can use it without cable. For in the proper places to use a cable, you can use it without cable, data cable I mean, plus the power cable as well, because it's rechargeable. You can use it without the cables. Here we have on how to turn off and turn on the smart device. On the device buttons here, we have on off button on the top, plus here we have the speaker and the stand here, where we can connect and attach the stand with the device. Here we have ventilation. As if we see on the box, you have a manual, and you can read the manual, you can how to use it. Plus here we have the device. You can use it as a power bank. If you recharge it very well, you can use it as also power bank when you are outdoor to use the device. So this is the lens. You have to be careful with the lens of this device. It's really very sensitive part of the device, the lens. Here on how to connect the device with the multi devices like laptops, tablets, phones, with the video games and desktop, other devices, screen devices. It's really easy to access and easy to move. It's portable. You can take it with you wherever you want. Here when we turned on the device, it's for Android as well, much usable. We can see the Android on the screen, and we start connecting and pairing the device with the smart devices. So when we put the turn on button, the start key, so the device will appear here on the screen. Here is how the on the wall, how present the features and properties of the device on the wall. So after you see the screen on the wall, you go to the settings and you go to the Wi-Fi. You have to turn on the Wi-Fi, okay, and to connect on the Wi-Fi. This is when you would like to use it in the place that you have local Wi-Fi, but even you can use it without Wi-Fi. I will show you how later on in this video. So here you have to turn on the Bluetooth, and there is other features of the device for rotations, the pointer speed, rotation of the picture. If you would like to use this device without the Wi-Fi, you have to download the application Miracast. If you see here the Miracast application, you can download it to use it without Wi-Fi in the outdoors, if you don't have Wi-Fi outdoors. So after that, you can make a pairing with the device. This is how on the screen what comes So you can go to this, the yellow one, and the Wi-Fi display for the Android devices. For the iOS devices, you can go to the AirPlay. Okay, and plus eShare, you can use it eShare with smart TVs. But I'm talking now on how to connect this device, with smartphones and tablets in an area that you don't have any Wi-Fi. So after you connect, you start connecting. With turn on the Miracast application. You press the connect here. Then this will appear, and after that you have to press OK on this words here. So this is after the connecting and pairing with two devices, the smart devices with the mini Wi-Fi rechargeable projector Datashow. So this is will appear on your wall, and here you can use whatever you want. You can go on use and present any other thing that you would like to present. So this device, it's really enjoyable. You can use it at home as a home screen. You can use it outdoors as an open cinema. You can use it in video games or workshops and reports, presenting reports, and with the living room theaters and any other presentations that you would like to present. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.